Hey everyone, this is Rose and I welcome you to my random channel. This is going to be another video in a random series of Birchbox videos that I have on my channel. If you're not familiar with it, what I do is I basically go pull 2 random Birchboxes out of the huge stockpile that I have built up over the years, because I'm kind of a beauty box subscription hoarder. And I basically, that's nail polish on my hands, by the way. But I basically break down like the values of the samples so that you can see whether or not, let's say I pull out a box from like 2014 or 2015, whether or not, you know, has the program always been good, or did it used to be better, or did it used to suck? So I can already tell one is from 2017 because the box says hello 2017 in the front of it. Oh, before I get into this, of course, if you're interested in joining Birchbox, I'll have my referral link down below. Of course, you don't have to use it. And if you would like to learn more about the program, I will put up in the cards. I can never remember what side that thing is on. My playlist, so that you can learn all about the program. But okay, Future Editing Rose is going to annotate what month this is from 2017. I'm assuming this is January because it's like New Year, New You. It always has a card that talks about the theme, and then this side always refers to like the products and the values and stuff of the items inside. So I am just gonna go in order. First thing I have is by Arrow, which I believe is a Birchbox makeup brand. This is the Endure Water Resistant Mascara. The full size is 20 bucks and the sample is 0.12 ounces. So that is what the packaging looks like. This deeply pigmented water resistant mascara won't budge even during a workout and offers clump-free length and volume. Better yet, it's paraben-free and vegan. Is by Ico. It's the skinny liquid eyeliner. The full size is $18 and this is the sample is 0.04 ounces, 1.2 grams. And that is what that looks like. From the go-to UK makeup brand, this user-friendly liquid liner goes on velvety smooth and features a pen-style applicator to control the thickness of your eyeliner look. Next thing I have no use for. I'm probably gonna end up giving these away or selling these like on eBay or something because my hair is too dry. My hair and my scalp is too dry for dry shampoo. But this is a Living Proof Perfect Hair Day dry shampoo. The full size is 22 bucks. This is a 1.8 ounce bottle. This dry shampoo actually cleans hair using fast acting powders to soak up oil, sweat, and odor. Next thing is by Model Co. and it is the lip lacquer in creme brulee. The full size is $24. This is 0.05 fluid ounces, 1.5 milliliters. And that's what that looks like. This long-lasting gloss in a flattering neutral shade delivers rich, full pigmented color paired with brilliant moisture and shine. And then the last thing I have is by Pixie by Petra. I've always been interested in this product. Almost actually bought it at Target one day, but then I abstained. But these are the Glow Tonic To Go packets. The full size is $18. And these are actually 2 single-use packets, which I'm assuming she must offer these in these travel-friendly sizes. These exfoliating pads are pre-soaked in a facial tonic to tone, brighten, and remove dead skin cells. I really need to use this. To reveal healthier, glowy skin, use morning and night after cleansing. So, alright, so that first box basically has 3 makeup products, a hair product, and a skincare item. And so I'm going to quickly put up the value of this first box. But I love their boxes because on their labels in front of your name, they always have a nice compliment, some sort of nice adjective, and this one says the Gleaming Rose, which I think it's a nice little touch. This is how this box looks. And I will quickly put up what month and year this is. And the theme for this month is Soak in the Sunshine. And then this opposite side talks about the samples that I got. And so I'm gonna go in order. Really excited to see the first product because it's something that I've used before. I believe I have talked about this product in one of my like really old favorites videos, and you've seen it in my empties. But this is a Clarins sample, which is a favorite company of mine. It's the One Step Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser with Orange Extract. The full size is $38. The sample is 0.1 ounces. The Clarins samples always come in these nice miniature style boxes of the full size boxes. Like, who has time for a ton of products in the morning? Gentle enough to use every day, this formula is a part cleanser and part exfoliator, so your face is refreshed in half the time. Sorry that was blurry. I believe is a perfume sample, which kind of fancy for it to be in a box. Etat Libre d'Orange. Don't know if this is French. Oh, it is. It's made in France. So, Etat Libre d'Orange. Isn't Libre book in French? Or am I getting my languages mixed up? And of course, orange is orange. This sample perfume is, I don't know. I took French in high school, middle school, high school, and college. And I graduated from college 6 years ago, so yeah. This is the actual box that it comes in. Which I'm assuming this must be like a miniature version of the full-size box. 0.06 fluid ounces, okay. Oh, okay, it's just a normal, typical, you know, sample vial. When a bouquet of lily of the valley, jasmine, and orange blossom is spiked with patchouli, amber, and cocoa, you get the seductive mix of sweetness and spunk. I can definitely smell the patchouli and amber. And a little, well no, I do smell the jasmine. I don't know how I feel about that, because if it was a little more spicy and musky, but I'm getting more of the florals with this, so. And even though my name's Rose, I'm not really a huge floral person. Did I tell you what the full size of that perfume is? $149. Are you crazy, Birchbox? Next thing is by Jouer, something else that's in a nice box. The lip enhancer, the full size is $16. This sample is 0.15 fluid ounces. And this is the box that it comes in. And then that's the tube right there. This Fan Fave lip treatment perfects your palette by nourishing lips and smoothing fine lines while leaving a translucent pink tint all in one swipe. Next thing is my number 4, which I've talked about on my channel plenty of times. It's a really expensive hair care line. Another French company. Jour d'Automne Sugar Texturizing Spray. The full size is $22. The sample is 1 fluid ounce. So, Jour d'Automne. I guess it's Jour d'Automne. I don't know. Okay. And this is how that bottle looks. Rather than salt, the spritz uses sugar as a texturizing agent to achieve perfectly undone, soft, beachy waves. Interesting. The last thing I have is by Stila Cosmetics. It's a Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. The full size is 22. And the sample size is 0.008 fluid ounces, 25 milliliters. And I'm assuming that this is just a black color. What does it say on here? Yeah, intense black. Which I think back to one of my really old Birchbox videos. It's on my channel still. I think it was the Gossip Girl Birchbox from like 6 years ago, where I actually got a full size of this in an olive color. This ultra black liquid liner glides on effortlessly with the help of its user-friendly felt tip, plus it does not budge. So, okay, so the value of the second Birchbox is, I'm gonna put up both the values. I have to say, gosh, if I had to pick one, because the second box technically has something from one of my favorite skincare lines, skincare and makeup lines, and then it has 2 makeup products in there. Both had liquid eyeliners. The texturizing spray I can actually use, and the dry shampoo I can't. But I have on my profile that I don't really care to get perfume samples, but yet I still get them. I guess I'm gonna go with the second box being my fave between the two. Well, if you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. And again, this is gonna be it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, become part of my random family. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you will see me again hopefully very soon. Bye. Gosh, my nail was like atrocious. Why am I using such big words? Yeah, I will actually be very thrilled when this ships.